Hello students, let us see one problem that is the based on the hydrolysis of salt. They are saying which of the following will not hydrolyze. So dear student, we know, that is, we know the principle, we know that is the salt of salt of weak acid, salt of not weak acid, sorry student, the salt of strong acid, salt of strong acid and strong base not hydrolyzed, salt of strong acid, okay, strong acid and strong base, salt of strong acid and strong base do not hydrolyze, okay, do not hydrolyze. Now student, what we can do here, salt of strong acid. So if you suppose you take any strong acid, suppose I am taking HNO3, and you take the strong base, I am taking that is KOH. So what will happen is student, if you see this hydrogen and this OH group will be out. So what it will form, first one is water plus what it will form is student, it will form KNO3. Okay, अब this is the strong acid, nitric acid is strong acid, this is the strong acid and this is also a strong base. So that is KNO3 is the salt of strong acid and strong base. So it will not hydrolyze. So our required option is option number 1. KCN is weak acid student. KCN is weak acid. So KCN is weak acid. This is not a salt. KCN is the weak acid. This is salt, but it is salt of what, student? That is salt of the weak acid. Okay. How we can, that is KOH plus you can say that is HCN. So this is student, this is KOH is strong base, no doubt is out, a strong base, but HCN is the weak acid, right student, weak acid. So whatever its salt is getting formed, H2O is getting released here, so it will form that is KCN plus H2O, and this is salt of the strong base and weak acid, so it is hydrolyzed. This will be the hydrolyzed. So okay, don't get confused here. Now next one is the potassium succinate. This is also, if you talk about the succinic acid, that is weak acid, salt of the strong base and weak acid. Potassium carbonate, it is also the salt of strong base and weak acid. So our required option is option number A. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.